Let's see. Let's run today's drill. First off, can't see that from here. Treat every firearm as if it were loaded. Never point a gun at anything you are not willing to destroy. Keep your finger off the trigger until ready to fire. Be sure of your target and what's behind it. So again, always practice proper gun safety. Even with virtual, if you stay in the practice of doing it right, then in the real thing, you'll more than likely do it right. Let's see, targets must be shot in this order. Square steel plates, right, left to right. So we got 1, 2, 3. Circle steel plates, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then paper targets, 2 times each, left to right. So let's do it.
Stand by.
All right, not bad, not bad. Need a my glasses. It's one problem, these glasses always want to fog up on here. All right,
Stand
go
by.
again. A lot better, a lot better. This time, right now, I am shooting without my red dot. Just a straight iron sights. I don't know why. I figured might as well.
Stand by.
And that's not going to be good. That one was not good at all. Figure out how I can keep my glasses from fogging up. It's the big thing. If you can't see what you're aiming at, then you're not going to do a good job. Let's try that
Stand
again.
by.
It's a little slower. Let's see. Let's run the weekly series. Well, so they had an update and they changed the lookup, or they changed the order of the hut. Now your doors over here, along with your whatever you want to call that, and everything else is the TV here. Your workbench is still in the same place. All right, so more attempts next week. Let's see what new. There's Pew Views. So they just updated the software. Let's see if there's anything new added. Put a heart around the zombie. Really enjoyed the zombie. Zeroing range, mixed reality. So the mixed reality puts you in your house or in your space. Let's see. Look for something that I have not done yet. see. See if my let's see if I have the room to do this one. Step up a little bit. Well, maybe not. Let's go to something different. Let's go back to the hut. Before I choose, I'm going to step out where I have a little more room to maneuver. Let's try the speed. See what the speed shows. Oh, we've done this one. Shoot all paper targets 2 times in the body and only once to the head in this order. All steel targets must fall.
Stand by.
Yeah, so I missed the headshots each time. Again, it's a matter of dealing with that glasses fogging up. All right, shoot paper targets 2 times each.
Stand
Steel
by.
falls. Well, 2 times left popper, reshoot 2 times blue.
Stand by.
Left target twice, middle target either 2 anywhere or 1 in the K zone. Steel must fall.
Stand by.
All right. Let's see the stage score. Yep.
Stand by.
Well, speed was faster, but my aim was off.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
All right, let's do this for real.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
So I'm noticing that the shot markers are not showing up on the target. Don't really know why. I'm in the box. All right. What is that? I don't know. Oh, that's the mixed reality. Let's see. Let's play with the Pit Viper. We could go for some Descent into Madness. I do not know what the round count is in this magazine. Does not say, so we'll have to figure that out. Shoot paper targets 2 times each. Perform a mandatory reload. Using your weekend, shoot the paper 1 time each. So 2 times, and then reload, and then switch to weekend.
Stand by.
Weekend. Oh, that's not easy. I do not like weekend. That was bad.
Stand
Try
by.
it again.
Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by.
Switch to weekend. Well, it was better, but still, I'm struggling finding the sight when I switched to a weekend.
Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by.
And there, and there. Missed it. Yep. Let's see, what else do we give me? Let's see, move up here. So let's see, do I have space to move? Can come this way. Oh, I'm running out of space. Boom, boom. That side is going to be the tricky part. Let's shift and rotate. Do I have... No, I don't have the space here either. My problem is I don't have a shot on that far popper. How about now? Nope. Still don't have a shot on that far popper. Yep, I can make it. What here? Here and here. Yep, okay, I can do this.
Stand by.
Come here, then here, and all the way over here, and then try not to fall or hit anything. Not bad, not bad. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 rounds in here in the Sand Viper. Let's try that again.
Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by. Stop. Keep the muzzle pointed down range at all times.
I did. Shut up.
Stand by.
Go ahead and reload. Take that one, and then that one. It's better. Yeah, that one didn't dig.
Stand by.
Yeah, at least I got into 70 on that one. Yep. Back here. Alright, let's see. Targets must be shot in this order. Shoot the paper targets twice, perform a reload. Plate rack must fall.
Stand by.
Well, apparently, look at that one. I hit a red.
Stand by.
Well, come on. That one wouldn't.
Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by. Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by.
Platinum at least. Let's try and get my accuracy to 100.
Stand by.
So in situations like this, sometimes it is best to go slow and then speed up. So like that. So there's my 100, And even though I came down on my speed, my accuracy is where you need to be. So it's the old adage, slow is smooth and smooth is fast.
Stand by.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reload. Here, here. Got that red one.
Stand by.
Not bad, not bad. Okay. 2, 1, 2, drop.
Stand by. Stand by.
Come on, come on.
Stand by.
That's better. Just a silver.
Stand by. Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by.
There we go. Now it's up to 6.
Stand by. Stand by.
All right. I'll live with that one. All right. So here. Here I'm kneeling. Let me angle it this way. So I do like how now I hit the meta button or hold the meta button down, and instead of chasing it, it's angled in the direction that I'm pointing. So I can stand where I want to be, like stand with my feet against my couch so I know where I have a reference point and be able to go off that. Where before I had to spin the thing around, hold the button down, and hopefully try and get it in a position where that was good. So now I need to go 2 shots there, drop the 2 poppers, 2 shots through the yellow and 2 shots through the green. Now the problem is this is an extremely low shot. Thankfully I'm not having to go down to those 2 there. So shoot the paper targets 2 times each. All steel targets must fall. Colored targets must be shot through matching colored ports. So here's your red, red to the red, blue to the blue, yellow to the yellow, green to the green.
Stand by.
Well, it was faster, but it was not good.
Stand by.
Didn't help that I shot the yeah.
Stand by.
There, my speed was off. dogs are wondering why I'm on the ground kneeling. Anyways, I don't like that one. Ooh, get back up. Alright, so shoot all still target, 6 rectile, required 2 shots.
Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down.
Reload.
Stand by.
Well, that wasn't good. Let's try it
Stand
again.
by.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reload. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So really, this is a matter of keeping track of your rounds. Otherwise, you will definitely lose it. Let's see. Texas Star.
Stand
These
by.
are such a pleasure. Like that. Got to keep track of your rounds.
Stand by.
Oops. Did not mean to do that.
Stand by.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 1, 2. Well, come on.
Stand by. Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by.
Yeah, a little better, a little better. All right, start from you to the left or the right. Shoot all steel targets. End on the plate with the red stem.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
Doesn't say twice or anything, so let's go with an official.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Keep the muzzle pointed down. Stand by. Stand by.
I'll take that as an official. Oh. I've already done this one. I don't want to do it again. I think I'm going to call it a day right there. So, if you like the practice, if you like the range, if you like the training, if you like what you see, please make sure you go and like and subscribe. Until then, y'all have a nice day.